Good morning. My name is Eric. I'm in cloudy Costa Rica right now. I just want to go over how to put your WhatsApp on your computer. The benefits of this are you'll be able to transfer PDFs, files, videos, pictures to your clients, friends, or family right from your computer to your conversations. Another great benefit too is you can charge your phone at home or the office and still be in contact with all your clients or your friends or family too. Okay, so this is pretty easy. I didn't know about this till recently, so it was very interesting when I found out. Okay, so basically just search download WhatsApp, click download WhatsApp. It'll work for PC or Windows. Once you go through the steps, this will pop up. Give me one sec here. There we go. So what this is it's a code. Basically, follow the steps on your WhatsApp application. Menu, settings, WhatsApp web. If you are on WhatsApp business like me, it's actually even easier. You just hit the three dots and go to WhatsApp web. And all you have to do is scan this code. Your camera will pop up. And literally in 1 second, all your messages, all your contacts will pop up. It's very convenient. It's very easy. I wish I would have learned this sooner. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me. Have a great day.